is style HTML tag. Style HTML tag is tag that we use to define CSS styles for our HTML document. With style HTML tag, we can define style block directly inside of our HTML document, where we can define CSS classes or styles for our HTML document. Next thing that we can do for our HTML document, we can directly define styles. With style HTML block, like we did for our colors external CSS file, we can define directly CSS classes, like we did here, inside of our HTML document. So we don't need to point to any external CSS file with link HTML tag. We can directly write our CSS in HTML document. So let's copy content from our colors CSS file just to save some time. And let's paste it inside of our styles block. Let's align our code a little bit. Okay. Let's customize our two CSS classes that we have here. Instead of purple background, let's set something like purple, let's say button, because we're gonna change background color for our buttons, welcome and thanks. Okay, purple button, and it's gonna be yellow button. Background color will stay same. Okay, so now for our welcome and thanks button, we'll apply our CSS classes that we have defined inside of our style block. So let's do that. First thing, for first button, let's define class HTML attribute. For first one, we will use our purple button, so we can copy name from here. Let's paste it inside of class. Okay. And for second button, first define class HTML attribute, and let's copy yellow button name of the class, and let's paste it here. Okay, so now we can save our changes, and we will see if we go back in our web browser and refresh. Okay, we can close this. So if we refresh our web page, now we can see we have our purple and yellow background color buttons. So basically, with CSS classes that you have defined inside of style, you can customize appearance of your HTML elements without pointing of any external CSS file inside of your project. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.